Good morning to all. My topic is need for social welfare organization. First, I'm going to explain the definition of social welfare organization. A social welfare organization is a non-profit organization operated exclusively for the promotion of social welfare and local association of employees whose earnings are devoted to charitable, educational or recreational purposes. It means that the social welfare organization is a non-profit organization. It is not aimed to make profit. There are many organizations which aims to make profit, but the social welfare organization is a non-profit organization. This organization is working for the welfare of the people. The organization helping the people who are in need. They uses the earnings of money for charity, education or recreational purposes. There are some problems that the social institutions, namely family, neighborhood, church, and community, could no longer adequately resolve. Then it is necessary to bring forth the social welfare organization. Example, help the community to get schemes like medical card, pension, etc. Here, the social institutions like family, neighborhood, church, and community are not able to give these types of schemes to the people. So, there we need social welfare organization. In my field work we worked in one area and we worked with schemes. We gave information about medical card and some other schemes, and we came to know that some people are not aware of these schemes, and we gave them information. So there they are getting help from social welfare. My organization is CODP. The people from that area, they are getting help from CODP. Need for social welfare is important to assist the individual, families, and communities in need. With such programs as healthcare assistance, food, housing assistance, childcare assistance, and educational assistance. Here it says that social welfare organization is very important to help the individuals, families, and communities in need. So the social welfare organization giving them healthcare assistance like helping patients for their treatment. Housing assistant, it is a funded program that provides safe and affordable homes for low income people and families, and as well as the elderly and disabled. And also childcare assistance like daycare assistance, daycare services, and also the educational assistance. Need of social welfare is also wanted for the disaster relief. If a disaster happens in any area, at that time the people needed so many help like food, shelter, health care. So there we need social welfare organization. Next, the major areas of concern are family welfare, child welfare, youth welfare, welfare of elderly, group welfare, welfare of sick and disabled, welfare of mentally ill. First, I am going to explain the family welfare. Here, family welfare includes economic assistance and personal assistance. Economic assistance like financial support, and personal assistance include marriage counseling, maternal, prenatal, and infant care programs, and also family welfare includes home help services. It provides household assistance to families like if one of the family members having any chronic illness or handicaps or any other dependencies will take care this household assistance. These types of people the will take care this household assistance. And home services is another thing, because if aged people and bedridden people, for such people there is availability of home services, regular visitation, and also providing reduced cost medicines. The next is child welfare. A child welfare provides income assistance to parents, and also it provided maternal, prenatal, and child care programs, especially for the people affected by disease and malnutrition. Now, The number of working women are increasing, so they are not able to take care of the child at daytime. So the daycare services are increasing. Now we know the number of working women are increasing because so there we need daycare services. So the daycare services are increasing. The next is youth welfare. Youth welfare programs providing counseling and guidance services on a more individual basis to help meet the personal, social, educational, and vocational needs of young people. There is guidance services to the youth. It may be educational, vocational guidance. Vocational guidance is needed. The student is required to choose subjects and decide his future occupation. It also included guidance of job. If uh, if uh, if uh, if a young man having any doubt about his job, there is guidance based on job. And also the young people facing so many problems like unemployment, drug addiction, alcohol addiction. These all things lead to psychological problem, so they needed counseling. So youth welfare including counseling also. Next is welfare of elderly. Elderly welfare programs providing nursing homes, providing medical services and custodial care for those who are unable to live independently. Next is group welfare. The group welfare is the welfare of community having collective needs. If a community is affected by dengue, they want so many things to prevent that. So it is their collective need. So there is group welfare also. The next is welfare of sick and disabled. Provide counseling and other supportive services required by the physically ill and the disabled and their families, like residential home for the most dependent disabled when they no longer require hospital care. It means there are some people who are close to death. That that type of people will get proper care, like in the residential for that type of people there is residential homes. Next is welfare of mentally ill. The psychiatric social worker serves at all levels of patient care. Social casework may contribute to diagnosis and the course of treatment. Educational and counseling services help other family members cope with the problem of hospitalization, treatment, and aftercare. Next, funding. The social welfare organization gets funds from private donations, government funding, sponsorship, grants, individual donations. The first is private donation. It is not like a public charity which relies on public fundraising to support its activities. Private donation comes from a single individual, a family, or a corporation which receives a tax deduction for donations. Next is government funding. Government funding means any grants, loans, or other financial assistance. The third one is sponsorship. Sponsoring something is the act of supporting an event, activity, person, or organization financially or through the provision of products or services. Fourth one is grant. Grants are non-repayable funds or products given by one party, often a government department, corporation, foundation, or trust, to a recipient, often a non-profit entity, educational institution, business, or an individual. The last one is individual donation. Thank you.